I want to go over a common question we get in our office today, and that is, do I have to get my neck adjusted, or do I have to get my neck popped? And that's the question we hear all the time, because a lot of people are scared of getting their neck adjusted. And so if that is one of your fears, you're not alone. And there are different ways we can help with your neck pain and get your neck moving better. So even my wife, Kristen here, she doesn't like to have more of the manual adjustments on the neck. And so we work with her and do different gentle techniques that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. But one of just to kind of show you the manual adjustment, we're just going to kind of show how I would set up on that with her. So we just come, turn the head a little bit, come here, and then you do kind of a quick thrust through the neck. Most of the time it's non-painful, and it helps get the motion back into the neck pretty quickly. Some people really like it because it feels good. The popping sound and the popping of the joints gives you an endorphin release, and so it takes some of that tension away quickly. But there are other ways we can do it. We don't have to do the adjustment that way. One of the other ways we do it is have her lay face down on the table here. And this table has what are called drops in it. And so when we go to adjust somebody's neck with these drops in it, we pop this piece up, and then we find the joint we want to adjust, and then we'll just come and do a quick thrust down, and the table drops to help facilitate that adjustment. Makes it very gentle on the person. Most of the time you don't even really feel anything. You're not going to hear the popping. You're not going to have to worry about anything there. One of the other ways that we use that most people really like is what's called an impulse adjuster. It's just a little electronic device that comes in and just gently taps on the areas that we want to adjust. And so again, we come in here, find those areas where we want to adjust, push on it just gently, and just tap on it. And the impulse is designed to thrust at a specific rate that helps get those joints moving better. And so those are some of the ways we'll adjust the neck to get the joints in the neck moving better, and so that they help decrease your pain. And then I'm going to have her flip back over onto her back. And some of the other things that I do that I found to be very beneficial, especially for people that have headaches or some of this neck pain, are some of the soft tissue techniques. And so we'll just kind of come in here on some of these muscles right up here at the base of the skull, find where they're tight, and then I just kind of come and put some gentle pressure on there. Now it might be a little bit painful for a little bit, but as we're working on it, you'll generally feel those muscles start to release and relax, and you'll start to feel better as we do that. And so if you're having tension headaches, this is something that can really help with those tension headaches, getting these muscles to relax. And so we'll find those areas and just put a little pressure on them to get them to release, get those joints moving. Even less of an aggressive type of what would be considered manipulation here, by just trying to hold on that joint and wait for that muscle to relax to start to get that joint moving. So there's several different ways we can do it. So if you're one that is a little scared of getting that adjustment, that's totally normal. We'd be glad to show you the different ways and help you out and help you get your neck feeling better.